All right, in this video, I want to talk about removing, replacing a tool bit, and what happens if you've got a broken tool bit. To remove a bit, it's real easy. Line up these tabs, grab the tool, press that button, it'll release, no problem. Make sure the tabs are lined up. Putting the tool back in, hold it firmly, and that's going to feel like it wants to kick it out, but that's normal for the machine. It's supposed to do that. Okay, that's where you're going to find this when you get done with the program, is the facing bit is in there and you're back on your home page. Let's say tool number 4 is broken. We've got to get to that, don't we? We've got to get it out of there, put a new bit in, and then calibrate the tip of that bit to match where the previous bit was. So, to do that, we go over to this button called MDI. Now we're looking for the tool number. Let's say T4. All right? Now we're going to hit ATC. It doesn't matter which button. The machine will figure out the fastest way to get over to that bit. Now it's in place, and we've got to get that measured. So we go up to Edit. We got to get to the VPS tab at the top. I hit Home. I'll arrow up. Got it on VPS. Now arrow down and go to Length. You don't have to worry about anything else there. It already knows the tool number, and we don't need to change tool type. So we need the length. In this case, the length is going to be this flat horizontal surface adjoining the tab, either one of the tabs, and you measure 0 on the ruler to get your length to the tip of the tool. You've got to enter that length plus a little bit to make sure that you're longer than that tool length, the tip length. All right, let's confirm that. 5 point, always put in a decimal place. Enter. Now, it's ready for the program to run. Let's hit start. It's all good to go. Once you've got a new program ready to run again, or if you can find it in the program where it was where the tool bit was broken, get to that point. That's through the Edit button, and go into the programming. Then you're ready to start the machine again.